Okay, we're testing this 15-pound fishing line, monofilament. We're going to test 3 dry rigs, then we're going to test 3 wet rigs. Then after that, we're going to check the abrasion resistance. Okay, as always, we go orange, green, blue. So this is dry 1, represented by the orange fishing bead. Here we go, dry 1. Okay, dry 1 broke at 13.2 pounds of pull force tension. And there you can see the break on the fishing rig. Let's do dry 2. Okay, here we go with dry 2, represented by the green fishing bead. Okay, dry 2 broke at 13.2 pounds of pull force tension. All right, here we go with the 15-pound monofilament fishing line, represented by the blue fishing bead, dry 3. All right, dry 3 broke at 11.9 pounds of pull force tension. Let's move on to testing the wet rigs now. Okay, here we go with testing the wet rigs soaking in the water. Okay, we're testing the wet rigs now. We got 3 wet rigs, orange, green, blue. Here we got wet 1, 15-pound monofilament fishing line. Okay, there you can see we got wet 1 broke at 11.8 pounds of pull force tension. Let's go on to wet 2. Okay, we got wet 2 here, wet 2, represented by the green fishing bead. All right, wet 2 came up way short at 9.2 pounds of pull force tension. Let's move on to wet 3. Okay, here we go with wet 3, represented by the blue fishing bead. Wet 3. Okay, wet 3 broke at 7.0 pounds of pull force tension. Take a look at this here. Let's move on to some abrasion testing. Okay, we're testing the abrasion resistance 15-pound monofilament fishing line. We got 3 dry rigs and we got 3 wet rigs. As always, we're going orange, green, blue with the dry. Then we'll do the same with the wet. Down and up as one cycle. I'm going to lose him. He's going to wrap around the pole. There he goes. It's going to break. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 cycles on dry 1. Now we're going to dry 2 with the green fishing bead. Dry 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 on dry 2. Now let's go to dry 3, represented by the blue fishing bead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16. Now you can see I'm applying very little force because I can't go down any further than this desk. Okay, now we're going to the wet monofilament 15-pound fishing line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cycles on wet 1. Now we're going to wet 2 with the green bead. Wet 2 represented by the green fishing bead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 cycles on wet 2. Let's go to wet 3, represented by the blue fishing bead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17. 17 cycles on wet 3. Okay, let's go over these test results on this TEMU monofilament fishing line. Look at the red. Both strength tests failed. Look at the abrasion. Both passed. That means this line doesn't break from rubbing. It breaks from pulling. Here you see this is 15-pound test. So this is where these bars should have reached here. We got the dry tensile. The average was 12.8. That's a fail. The wet tensile strength, 9.3, which was also a fail. With the abrasion, we're looking for at least 10 cycles. The dry passed at above 18 cycles for an average of 3 tests. And the wet passed for an average of 12 cycles on all 3 wet tests. If you think this TEMU mono was bad, you need to see the TEMU grade test. These fishing lines could be costing you fish. Don't guess. Click and watch now. I'm going to lose him. He's going to wrap around the pole. There he goes. It's going to break. Check it out, baby.
Dude, it's huge.